Creating the video is one thing. Keeping the audience engaged to the end is another. Let's strengthen the message and make sure it lands the way we intended. When it comes to engaging video content, understanding the context of where your audience will be consuming your content will give you clues as to how you need to present it. For instance, viewers of longer educational or corporate videos will likely be more focused. They may have set aside time and are ready to take notes. It's safe to assume they might be at their desk, watching on a computer screen. Therefore, these videos need to be more professionally produced and display well on a larger horizontal screen. Perhaps the viewer is more likely to be on the go, watching from their mobile. They might be on public transport or scrolling content, multitasking, and jumping between apps. If this is the context, then videos should be short, clear, and entertaining. They also need to be set up for a smartphone screen. Consider using a vertical video format. There are many different places where audiences consume video content, so you might need a few formats. It's worth considering. Ultimately, you're making it easier for your audience to enjoy your content, removing disengaging roadblocks and distractions. They'll appreciate you thinking about their context and be more likely to finish watching. Did you notice the Canva intro on this video? It's designed to grab attention, engage the viewer, but also represent the business or brand behind the video. An intro welcomes viewers, sets up what's to come, and transitions them into the content. Get straight to the point, verbally or with text, and keep graphics simple and appealing. Match the style and length of the intro to the video itself. For a very short video, an intro might not be necessary at all. For a longer video, the intro might be cryptic or entertaining, enticing the viewer to watch, to understand more. For example, an interview-based video might lead with a funny excerpt, or in a how-to video, perhaps a blooper or short taster of the final outcome will leave viewers wanting more. Show, don't tell. Use captions or titles instead of reading text. Remember, viewers are much more interested in what's to come. Set the scene and then get out of the way. An outro wraps up the video and inspires viewers to act. So what do you want them to do? This is the place to encourage viewers to act, using what's known as a call to action. A CTA might be explicit, such as, sign up to our mailing list, contact us, or buy now. Or it might be more implicit, encouraging the viewer to think or act. Not everything needs to be explained. Viewers will understand that they need to click on links or tap to get in touch. As for how it looks, you could mimic the style of the intro, effectively bookending the video. This will be recognized by the audience and send a signal of finishing. Or it could be in the form of a piece to camera. This is where a presenter or subject speaks to the camera with the effect of speaking directly to the viewer. This can be brief but powerful. Animation will enhance a video's intro and outro. For example, captions might gently glide onto screen, conveying a brand's style and personality. Or they might appear suddenly to surprise the viewer. This intro overlays video with animated captions that match the style of the content. Similarly, this bold, bright text gives a simple intro to the video that will continue once the words have left the screen. In this example, there's a border around the video. The movement in the shapes around the preview are vibrant and dynamic, and draw the eye in. The arrows in this outro template motion towards previews of more videos. Take time to consider the purpose of the video, where your audience will be watching it, and grab their attention with a great intro. At the end, Make sure they know what you want them to do. This way, you'll make sure your videos are watched and acted upon.